Hello and welcome to Every Math Notebook. Today's lesson is on the laws of exponents. For 8th grade math, the 5 laws of exponents we need to know are how to multiply with exponents, how to divide with exponents, how to take the exponent of an exponent, what to do with negative exponents, and what to do with zero exponents. For each of these 5 laws or rules, we're going to look at 2 examples, one with a variable and one with numbers. Start with, let's look at multiplying exponents. In our example, we have x to the 4th times x to the 5th. When you are multiplying with exponents, you need to add the exponents. So it becomes x to the 4 plus 5 power, or x to the 9th. The same thing applies with numbers. When multiplying the exponents, you keep that same base. In this case, we keep the 3 and we're going to add the exponents. So it becomes 3 to the 2nd times 3 to the 6th becomes 3 to the 2 plus 6 power, or 3 to the 8th. Dividing exponents follows a similar process. However, instead of adding the exponents, you're going to subtract. So in our problem, we have x to the 7th divided by x cubed. What that becomes is x to the 7 minus 3 power, or x to the 4th. In this example, using the numbers, we follow that same process. We're going to subtract our exponents. But we keep the same base. Nothing happens with the 4s yet. So we have 4 to the 9th divided by 4 to the 4th. That becomes 4 to the 9 minus 4 power, or 4 to the 5th. When taking the exponent of an exponent, as shown in this problem where we have x cubed to the 5th power, you need to multiply your exponents. So our problem becomes x to the 3 times 5 power, or x to the 15th. Again, for the numeric problems, the base of 2 in this case stays the same while just multiplying the exponents. So 2 to the 4th cubed becomes 2 to the 4 times 3 power, or 2 to the 12th. A negative exponent, in this case we have x to the negative 3rd power. What you need to do is make it into a fraction. You put 1 over the variable and exponent and change the exponent from a negative to a positive. So x to the negative 3rd power becomes 1 over x cubed. Same thing applies to the numeric problems as well. 5 to the negative 6th becomes 1 over 5 to the 6th power. For zero exponents, it is a fairly simple rule. However, it is one that people get confused on. Most people want to say x to the 0 is 0. However, anything to the 0 power is 1. So x to the 0 is 1. When we take a number, in this case 7 to the 0, it is still 1. Every time you take a 0 exponent, you have 1 as your answer. Hopefully, this was helpful to help you understand the 5 rules of exponents used in 8th grade math.